We're daughters and sons, we're children, running in the ever-moving field of stillness. Thoughts and ideas swing through our bare feet, and there we can reach all the answers we seek. It's paintings worth seeing and voices worth hearing, there's meals worth tasting and feelings worth feeling. And once we catch one, we run to our parent, the great Mother Goddess, Creator omnipresent. We hold up our creature and humbly start speaking, asking of her, Mother, please, can we keep it? And in all her glory, our Mother so strong will always reply to her daughters and sons, of course, dearest children, you're all welcome home, you and your creatures, creations unborn. Just make sure you feed them, take care of them all, as you make them grow, I'll watch over you all. Let the world see the painting, let the world hear the song, let the world taste the meal, feel feelings, talk, bond. And remember, my children, there's plenty of space here. Feel free to bring more home without any fear. Just make sure you feed them, take care of them all. As you make them grow, I'll watch over you all.